Do you wonder, why do we chant mantras? Is it science or superstition? Namaskaram. Welcome to Dharmasvara. Let me ask you something honestly. If repeating a single word could measurably change your brain, would you still call it superstition? Or would you call it neuroscience? Because that is the real debate around chanting mantras. Some say it is blind belief. Some say it is spiritual magic. But both miss something important. Let us look at what actually happens when you chant. Sound is vibration. That is not mystical language, it is physics. When you chant a mantra like Om, your vocal cords create measurable sound waves. Those waves travel outward into the air. But they also travel inward through your skull, your throat, your chest cavity. Your vagus nerve runs from your brainstem through your throat into your heart and digestive system. It regulates stress response, heart rate, and emotional balance. Studies show that slow, extended vocalization, especially humming, stimulates the vagus nerve. So when you chant Om and extend the vibration, you are mechanically stimulating a nerve that calms your body. Lower heart rate, reduced stress, improved emotional regulation. This is not magic, it is nervous system regulation. Now let us go deeper. Your brain operates in electrical rhythms. Beta waves when you are alert, alpha waves when you are calm, theta waves when you are deeply meditative. Repetitive rhythmic chanting has been shown in EEG studies to increase alpha coherence. Alpha is associated with relaxed focus. So chanting is not empty repetition. It is rhythm training for your brain. Here is something powerful. Your mind already repeats things. Worries, memories, arguments. Rumination is repetition without control. A mantra is repetition with control. You are replacing chaotic mental loops with structured sound loops. That is cognitive override. Now ask yourself, why 108? For most mantras, 108 repetitions take about 25 to 30 minutes. That duration matters. Neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to rewire, depends on sustained repetition. 30 focused minutes is long enough to shift mental state, short enough to repeat daily. This is behavioral design. When you chant slowly, your breathing naturally slows to about 5 or 6 breaths per minute. That breathing rate is associated with optimal heart rate variability, HRV. High HRV means your nervous system is flexible and resilient. So chanting regulates breath. Breath regulates heart rhythm. Heart rhythm influences brain state. It is a feedback loop. Physiological effects still occur because your nervous system responds to vibration before it responds to belief. Belief amplifies it, but biology begins it. If chanting affects the vagus nerve, brainwave patterns, heart rate variability, breathing rhythm, is it blind superstition? Or is it a self-regulation technology developed long before modern neuroscience? The ancients did not say increase vagal tone. They simply said chant. Your mind is already repeating something. The only question is, are you choosing what it repeats? If this shifted your perspective, support the journey. Subscribe to Dharmasvara, offer a like, and share in the comments. Have you ever felt physically different after chanting? There is more science inside sound than we often admit. Until next time, Namaskaram.